Most people know that it's important to have your dryer vent clean, but that most people don't know that that's only about 10% of what you have to do to keep your dryer and your laundry room safe from a fire. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the other areas that are just as important or maybe even more important than just cleaning your dryer vent. The first one, this is the biggest reason I see people can't do their laundry or have taken multiple hours for their clothes to dry, or they just got a new dryer, or they've been going to the laundromat, and that is the vent outside. So you could hire someone to clean your dryer vent. They could come inside, clean it, and call it a day, charge you like 75 bucks, whatever. But if you don't clean where it lets out, either on the side of the house or on the roof, then your house is not safe from a fire, and your dryer may still not work correctly. It's like trying to get a drink from a soda with the cap on. You need to either go outside and check it if it's accessible, or go on your roof only if you feel comfortable, or hire a professional to go on your roof and check. And if you just moved into a house and say that the inspector came and said everything was fine, inspectors just fly drones and they don't actually go on the roof. So I had a lot of people with new homes and their roof vent was completely clogged. Next is going to be inside your lint trap. All of my customers, just about all of them, they say, I don't know how my vent is clogged. I clean the screen every single time I do laundry. Well, that helps, but it only blocks a tiny bit of the lint. The other lint gets past. So pause this video, grab a flashlight, open your dryer door, and look inside of your lint trap. There will be a huge amount of lint. It'll be terrifying. And that's because most people don't know that you actually have to clean that. And there is one product that will help you do this. I'll leave a link down below, but it's thin enough to get all the way down there, and then you just brush, vacuum it up, and it's really easy. Just make sure you do it. Next is going to be inside the dryer. So there's two types of dryers. There's ones with the lint tray in the door, ones with the lint tray on top. The ones with the lint tray on top will usually have a whole panel that comes off, just a couple screws you take off, and that gives you access to the floor pan. And I've seen some really clogged ones. I've seen burnt lint. I've seen some real bad disasters because most people don't even know that you could open that, or don't even know that you have to clean it. And a lot of them have had their dryer vents cleaned regularly, so they thought they were being safe, but when I showed them what was in there, they were terrified. So this is very easy. You just need a vacuum. You take the panels off with either a drill or a screwdriver and just clean inside there and put it back together. Next is going to be the transition vent. This is the vent that actually connects your dryer to the wall or where your vent is. And most of the times they'll give you a flimsy plastic foil vent that could burn. It could go on fire. It could rip really easily, or it could get completely clogged. So I would recommend going with Dryer Flex. This is the safest dryer vent you could get. Again, I'll leave a link down below. And if you want to learn how to install your own dryer vent, check out this video over here.